Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Awilda and I'm very happy to have you here at Hip and Creative. So as you can tell by the title of this video, it is a cleaning video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet as far as talking. I'm not going to say much. In this video you are going to see that it's super messy. So it's more of a organizing than it is cleaning, or is a combination of cleaning and organizing, because most if not all of the items here are clean. It's just a matter of putting things away. At the time of filming this video, we had gone to BJ's and did a little bit of a shopping, so it was a lot of bulk items that I was separating and trying to get rid of some of the items that I have from the shopping. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and also if you have been watching or are watching some of my videos, make sure to click that notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post videos. And yeah, so that's about enough of me talking. I'm just gonna let you enjoy some music while I clean.